Carpets fall into two main types, woven backed and felt back carpets. Before you lay your carpet, you need to prepare the area. Fit grippers and underlay, which we'll show you in this film. Watch part 2 to learn how to fit the carpet. First, give the floor a thorough sweep or vacuum. Check the floor surface for any protruding nails or screw heads, loose or creaking floorboards, holes or other surface defects. If you find any, make them flush with the floor surface. Carpet fitting involves a lot of kneeling, so wear knee pads.
If your floor is uneven or damaged, you may need to level it. See our films, How to Level a Wooden Floor and How to Level a Concrete Floor for help on this.
Measure the room to work out the rough size of the carpet you need. Measure the room at its widest and longest points. Include any alcoves and don't forget to allow for the carpet to go into the doorway. Add a minimum of 10 centimeters length to the width of the widest points. You'll need the excess for trimming and fitting. Increase this to 20 centimeters extra in each direction if your carpet has a bold pattern. Your room may not be perfectly square and you may need to skew the carpet slightly before you trim it to get the pattern in alignment with the main wall or focal point. Next, fit the carpet gripper around the room's perimeter. The pins on the gripper are sharp, so make sure you wear heavy-duty gloves. The gripper is slightly angled along one edge and the pins that grip the carpet are also angled in the same direction. The angled side must face the skirting board. It comes with pre-installed fixing nails. The gripper is dual purpose, so the nails are suitable for fixing into a timber or a concrete floor. Position the gripper so that there's a gap of 7 to 8 millimeters between the angled side of the gripper and the skirting board.
Use a piece of 8mm timber to ensure your gap between the skirting and the gripper is correct.
This is the gap in which the carpet will be tucked into after trimming to get a nice, neat finish. Carefully nail the gripper down, butting up extra lengths where necessary. If you have a concrete floor and the nails won't fasten, then you can use gripper adhesive. Cut the gripper where necessary using general purpose snips. Make sure that the entire perimeter except the doorway has gripper. You may need to fit a carpet-to-carpet threshold strip or metal edging bar like this, but it will depend on the type of floor that's adjacent to the carpet being fitted. Underlay acts like a shock absorber, enabling the carpet to stand up to wear and tear. If you want that extra feel of comfort, go for a luxury grade underlay. We're going to be using this rubber type underlay. This is a timber floor, so before we put the underlay in place, we're going to put down this floor lining paper. It helps to protect the underlay and the carpet from dust ingression through the subfloor. It also aids heat insulation too. It's just rolled out, stuck down with tape and cut to fit the area within the side of the gripper. Then stick the joints together. You could use tape or spray adhesive on the perimeter to fix the floor lining in place. We're using tape, but if you use the spray, make sure you work in a well ventilated area. Then roll out the first length of underlay so that it butts up against the inside edge of the carpet gripper, cutting it to size if needed. And use a staple gun to fix the underlay to the floor at 30 to 40 centimeter centers. Alternatively, if you've not used a lining paper, you can use spray adhesive. Roll out the next length of underlay and butt it up against the edge of the first length. Join the two pieces using 50mm wide gaffer or similar tape.
When laying underlay, for small gaps, you can use any underlay offcuts to reduce the wastage.
Trim the ends to fit until all of the underlay is fitted. Clean up and remove any offcuts of underlay and any other debris. Watch part 2 of this film to see how to fit your carpet. For more ideas and know-how, visit DIY.com.